guys, NateVlog here. Good morning. Today we're gonna try the Michelina's chicken fried rice. Okay, yeah. Made with white chicken. Okay, nice, nice. First off, how old is this? How long has this been sitting in my freezer for? Is this okay still to eat? Where's the expiration date here? I don't know, I don't see it. It's fine, it's been in the freezer, okay? So, yeah, it's all good. How do we cook this now? Do we put in the oven or just microwave? Oh no, I think it's just microwave. So, vent, cover, microwave on high for 2 minutes, mix it, and then put it back in for 1.5 minutes. So total is 3.5 minutes. Is it gonna look like this? Because this is what it sounds like right now. Hear that? Frozen solid. Okay, let's get to the kitchen. Alright, pull it here. Can we pull this? I was like, where is it? There it is. Oh gosh, that's what we're gonna eat. Anyways, alright, so we vent it. Put it in. 2 minutes. Okay, and pull this out. It's still like frozen. So I guess we're just supposed to mix it. Look at that crunch. Ice. Eesh. Sure there's chicken in there? Alright, put it back in there for whoa. Okay, whatever. 1:30. So just wait till it goes down to 30 seconds. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Oh. Oh. Whew. There it is. Let's see what it looks like. Now, does it look like this? Kind of. But where's these big chunks of chicken at? Buried in there somewhere, huh? Ew. Looks all soggy. Nasty. You really have to eat this? Wow. Alright, take a look at it one more time. Wish me luck, everybody. Like I said, I don't really know how old this is, but yeah, we're reviewing it. So first bite, I think that's a little piece of chicken there. Actually, let's try again. Not bad. Yeah, wow. Yeah, it's not what I thought it was gonna be, but yeah. Is this authentic? Does this meet up to Chinese standards? I don't know about that. I don't even think this is a Chinese brand. But it's not too bad. Like, the flavors are there. Okay, imagine like you order fried rice and then it sits there in the refrigerator for like 2 to 3 days. That's what it tastes like. And I know Chinese food gets better if you let it sit, but you let it sit a little bit too longer, and that's That's what this is. But in the picture, these chunks are bigger. But yeah, at least it's there, right? There's quite a few of them this time. So you got rice, peas, carrots, little chunks of chicken. Anything else? I think this might be red bell pepper. You see that red part? I think that's what it is, but could be wrong. But yeah, not bad. Really shocked on that. There's another bigger piece. Oh yeah, it's bell pepper. Definitely. Anyways, let's try to make this better. We got the sriracha here. You know what we... Oh! You know what we gotta do? Yeah. Just a little bit, you know? Just a little extra flavor, you know? Bumps it up. Okay. Just me seeing that frozen solid rice like that was just such a turn off, and I was like, oh my goodness. I don't know about that, but at least we didn't overcook it. I don't know why. The instructions tell me to do it, but it turns out overcooked. So I'm trying to figure out where we got this. And Ralph's, $1.69. Yeah, really inexpensive. Frozen meals. That's not bad. Hey, if you need a quick, easy meal, there you go. If you don't have a lot of money, definitely try it. Add a little bit more. Don't want to go too crazy because spiciness and the cough, that's how it activates. 3 months now I've been having this cough. 3 months. And it's still there. Comes and goes, but when it comes, it hits hard. Oof. So bad. What did the Philippines do to me, right? Wow. Come on now. Yeah. There it is. Hi, Nicole. Oh. Oof. Come on now. Gotta finish this up. Okay. Okay, we got ourselves a drink this time. Yeah, this is pretty spicy. I put a lot on there. You know, I just gotta make the flavor better, right? So that's what I did. So that might have been a mistake. Anyways, Red Bull. Drink this every single day. Sponsor me, Red Bull. Come on. I've been a true fan for many years now. Ah, Red Bull. Ah. Refreshing. Okay, that quenches my thirst. All right, back to chowing this down. Okay. You really taste a lot of soy sauce in this. Yeah. So, you use a lot of soy sauce when cooking fried rice? Is that what happens? Sure taste that. The sodium. Okay, last bite. And then we're finished. Cheers, everybody. Yeah. Woof. 4 out of 10. Not bad, but it is a frozen meal. Oh yeah, Red Bull. Anyway, so there we go. We did it. That was my breakfast, and Michelina's. You know, I'm not too familiar with this brand. When I saw it, I thought it was like marine calendars because it kind of has the same color to the box and all. So yeah. All right. Anyways, there we did. That's that. Hit up my PayPal. Hit up my Venmo. And yeah, sriracha, damn. That's some spicy stuff right there, huh? Picante. Hopefully there is no stomach problems after this because, oh my gosh. Editing on the toilet again seems like a regular thing now, huh? I really want to know how old this is, but I can't see a date expiration anywhere, so I mean, I had to dig back in there and it's like, oh, here we go, look at this. We'll try this. This is a video right there. That's some good content. Whoa, okay. Yeah, because that's what people want to see, you know? You watch my video first to see if you want to get it or not, and then, you know, if I give it approval, yeah, go down the store and pick it up. So, big ups. So, ending off the video here, everybody. Thank you for everyone supporting. Groovy vibes all the way. And editing while coughing. Perfect. Yeah, we'll see ya. Bye-bye.